Hi, I'm Alex, and I will be getting some help from my brother today. Brad will help out on some special videos. We are here to teach you about math. Brad here is my assistant, and he will help me. And this is his first time in a brain twister problem video. He is my inspiration, and this is how I got the idea of teaching math. I will help kids learn how to solve math. I will try to make one video every week. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will learn to love math. Always, Brad will have a different way to solve this problem and every other problem. So there are two solutions you can refer to. Now, let's get down to business. There are a group of people at a party, and there are lots of bread. And there are only adults and children at the party. An adult can eat 3 slices of bread, but it takes 3 children to eat 1 piece of bread. And there are 100 people at the party, and you have 100 slices of bread. The question is, how many children and adults are there at the party? Remember, there can be no people who don't eat, and you have exactly 100 slices of bread, and there can be no slices of bread left over. Now you can stop to solve the problem. Give yourself 10 through 20 minutes. The answer is 25 adults and 75 children. Now, I'll explain my solution. I have 2 solutions. This one right here with fractions. The next solution I'll explain using regular numbers. Now I can explain why my answer I got is correct and why my solution is correct. Now, my first step of my solution is 100 times 3. Why I did 100 times 3 is that if I changed all of the people to adults, which means there has to be 300 slices of bread. Then I subtracted 3 by a third, because 3 is the amount of 1 adult that eats, and a third is how much 1 child eats. And that equals 2 2/3. So then I subtract 300 by 100, because 200 is left over because 100 is the original, but 300 is 200 extra. Now, how I got that 200 is because that 200 is all of the children's value changed to an adult's value. My fourth step is my most important step of this solution, because I am going to use division. I will use the 200 because 1 child changed to adult adds 2 2/3 extra slices of bread. So for all the children, they all had to add an extra 2 2/3 slices of bread. So that's how I got the extra 200. So I had to change all of the adults that were changed back to children. So I used division. This step is 200 divided by 2 2/3. After that, I get 75. The last step is 100 minus 75, because the 75 children are already part of the 100 people. So to calculate the amount of adults, I had to subtract them. and there are 25 adults. So 75 children and 25 adults were at the party. And these match up. So my solution is correct. First one uses fractions, while the second one uses regular numbers and whole numbers. Now I will move on to my second solution. Now, for the first step of my second solution, I will have to change all of the people to adults, just like last time. And that would equal 300 slices of bread needed. Then I do 300 subtracted by 100, because 300 is more than what I have. So I will get 200 from that. Now, then, the third step is the tricky one. Because one adult equals 9 children. So that means one child to one adult. Meaning that every time you change one child to one adult, you get 8 children's value because you just changed it. So that is why 3 times 3, which equals 9, because 9 children equal 1 adult, minus 1, because 1 adult to 1 child. That means we get 8 children's value. Now, the fourth step is a little tricky again, because we will have to do 200 times 3. But why we do that is because if there are 200 slices left over and 3 children only need 1 slice, we will need 600 children to eat 200 slices of bread. Now, the fifth step, we will calculate how much children we changed. And 600 children can eat 200 bread. So we also get the 8 children's value from the 1 child changed to 1 adult. That's how we got the 8 children's value. So we have to change them back. So that is why we do 600 divided by 8. And we will get 75. Now, our last step is 100 minus 75. And 75 is children, not adults, because we changed all the children to adults. And since 75 children is part of the 100 people, we will end up with 25 adults. Now, this is my second solution.
Hello, I am Brad, and I am Alex's assistant. I'll give out the homework now. You have a week to figure it out, then I will give the answer to next video. The homework is, a T-Rex eats 12 pounds of food a day. A Triceratops eats 9 pounds of food a day. And a raptor eats 3 pounds of food a day. They are the same amount of T-Rexes as to raptors. After 23 days, all of them ate a total of 13,869 pounds of food. There are in total 74 dinosaurs. How many Triceratops are there?
Now, if you have trouble understanding the concept, or you just want to comment, then please leave a note with my emails right here. And this video was contributed with Brad, my little brother. Now, thanks for watching. Bye.